everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna show you what I'm doing to complete my summer reading, which is the narrative of the life of Frederick Douglass. I'm really enjoying the book so far. It's really interesting, even though obviously I haven't finished it yet, so I'll let you know what I think of it once I finish it. The highlighter you see me use is the Frixion highlighter. I got them from Amazon. They're really nice. They're pastel, so they're not neon, but they work perfectly fine, and actually I think they look quite pretty. So this is my first video on YouTube, so obviously I'm a beginner at this, so leave me some tips below on how can I improve and some video requests. I'm really excited to watch this channel grow and make new friendships and motivate you guys and study with you guys. So yeah, I'm really excited. And also let me know what your summer reading is and some other highlighters I can check out, since these ones are drying up since I've had them for a really long time. The quotes you're looking at me highlighting, those are quotes that are important to the plot development, or quotes that have strong figurative language, and I highlight these quotes so that I have them in reference for future assignments like essays. Okay, so now I'm into Google Docs, so I'm gonna type in my own summary of the chapter I've just read to see how well I retained the information and if I understood what the author was trying to convey. And then you're gonna see me jump into another Google Docs document right now, and in this document I'm typing up all of the quotes that I've previously highlighted to analyze them and find anything that helps the plot development or the author. Okay everyone, so this was today's video, so hopefully you've enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and leave me other video requests that you want me to see. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other social media. Bye guys!